up, Sunrays? Welcome back to my channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Getting ready to do another twist out. Sorry to be doing so many twist outs back to back, but if you didn't know, my hair dryer is broken, so there will be no wash and goes, no setting styles or anything like that, because I don't have a hooded dryer right now. I do have a call in to the person, I actually ordered it from Sally's because my other one went out that I got from Sally's that I had for a long time. So I said, well, I'll just order it from them again. And this one is defective. So I have a call in to them and I'm waiting to hear back from them regarding my dryer. So until then, we're gonna just be doing twist outs, which is fine because I am trying to use up my stash, and within that stash, the mousses that I purchased over Black Friday, I'm trying to use up. So this one I didn't actually purchase around Black Friday. This one I've had for a long time. I hope it's still some good. I've had it that long because I did a campaign with Tailored Beauty, and they sent me this product, but I never tried the mousse. I tried their cream and their gel and their moisture butter, things like that. So I'm getting ready to try this mousse and see how I like it. So I've already shampooed and conditioned my hair. I've already applied my leave-in, applied it in the shower, and for the leave-in, I also use the Tailored Beauty Penetrating Leave-In Conditioner Treatment. This is from their herbal blend, their golden herbal collection, I should say. And I have used this before. I do have do I have a review on my channel? I'm not sure. I can't remember if I did this just for them or if I actually have a review on my channel. If I do, I'll link it. What I do remember is that this collection was, certain products I should say, were just okay to me because I felt like they were kind of drying, real strengthening, but I believe that's what this collection is for. It's for strong, healthy strands. It's supposed to strengthen. So I could definitely feel that at the time. And like I said, it's been a while. I've learned my hair a little bit more, so I wanted to revisit it again. And so it's in my hair now. So my hair does feel strengthened. It does feel like I have protein on my hair. So we're gonna see how it works with this mousse once it dries. And this is how the mousse is coming out, bubbly instead of foamy. But I'm gonna add that back here, and we are going to see what we get now. Because I knew this was a strengthening product or line, when I shampooed and conditioned, I made sure that, well, first of all, I cleansed my hair well because I used something that had a silicone in it previously, and I wanted to make sure I got that off, so hopefully I did. And then I went in with moisturizing products, very moisturizing products. So I went in with my Shea Moisture Conditioner to detangle, and then I went in with my She Scented deep conditioners, and I say with an S because I finished up one and then I had to get into another one. So, and both of them were moisturizing deep conditioners, so my hair felt really good after shampooing, conditioning, and deep conditioning. So I will say that. Okay, and I'm making these kind of chunky. Just because I want kind of a chunkier twist out. So my hair does look very clean. It doesn't feel like anything is on it. So this leave-in conditioner is thin and has a watery type feel when it goes onto your hair. It doesn't have that creamy feel like some leave-ins. So, but I'm not going to count it out yet. I'm going to go ahead and finish this process and see what happens. So I am twisting my hair. You guys have seen me twist my hair before, so I'm just going to continue this whole process all around my head, and I will come back when I am done. I think I'm gonna take this down and redo it, tighten it up a little bit. But look, you don't see any residue on my hair, that's for sure. So these are mixing well together, and I have the leave-in in, and you don't see any residue from this leave-in in my hair, so it did soak right in. Anyway guys, I'll be back, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so I am done twisting my hair, as you can see, and there is no white on my hair. So this mousse soaks right into the hair, as well as the leave-in. I will say that this mousse has a very watery consistency, not just the bubbles or not just how it, you know, foams out or sprays out with the bubbles, but when you're applying it to your hair, it feels like you're not putting anything on your hair. It feels like water. It doesn't have that creamy feel to it. It doesn't feel like it's moisturizing the hair at all. It just feels like you're adding water. You will get a little bit of foam depending on how much you use. You'll hear it foaming in your hair, but it disappears right away. It's very much like, if you ever think of the difference, you're washing dishes. Back in the day, guys, go back in the day when you used to wash dishes with a bucket or a sink full of water, soapy water, versus nowadays people just kind of spray their dishes and wash it with a spoon. I mean with a sponge, but back in the day you filled up a sink or a tub with soapy water and you washed your dishes and then you rinsed them somewhere else. So anyway, when you used Dawn dish soap and how many suds you get and how it feels as compared to when you're using a really cheap dish soap, one that just says dish soap on it, and you get those little bitty bubbles that barely, you know, suds up in the water and stuff like that. That's how this is in your hair. It feels like those really light, thin, see-through bubbles, or you know, the bubbles that you get and you blow, you know how it gets those little, that's how it gets in your hair, and then it just dissipates really quickly, just like those do. I know y'all like, girl, what are you talking about? Anyway, that's what this does. So we're gonna see how it works. I am trying to keep positive that it is gonna have some hold and that it is going to have some moisture, because I'm gonna tell you now, I just didn't feel any moisture in this leave-in conditioner or the mousse, but I'm hoping that that changes once my hair is dry, and that does happen with some products. So let's hope it happens with these. We're gonna see. I hope I like it. I hope I like it. I hope my hair is not dry because I don't want to have to redo it. But I will say that it looks healthy. It does look shiny. It looks very dark, so that's a plus. All right, guys, I'm gonna let this air dry for a couple days, and I'll come back for the takedown. Hopefully when I come back, I'll have a hair dryer. So keep your fingers crossed for that. Anyway, I'll see you in a bit. Okay, sun rays, so I am back and we are getting ready to, we're going to take these twists out, okay? So remember, I used the Tailored Beauty Penetrating Leave-In Conditioner as my leave-in, and then I used the Flexible Curl Potion Mousse to style these twists. And I said that they felt pretty light. The products felt pretty light, and you do see, you know, a little bit of, you know, frizz going on or whatever, but we're not gonna make no judgments right now. We're not gonna make no judgments right now. Let me go ahead and take these out and we'll talk about it.
Ooh, baby, it's like the world is on our side. Nothing can bring me down tonight. And ooh, baby, when we're together, you and I, your touch sends chills down my spine. Alright, and I got a brand new love. Take me away, girl, to a new level. It's 7 on earth, on earth. I found an angel. I found an angel among us. Ooh, an angel. Found an angel. Ooh, baby, people would travel far and wide just to see how your halo shines so
Okay guys, so I am back and still trying to separate some big clumps, but this is pretty much what the hair is looking like, and I did not use a pick or anything, so it is quite fluffy, and it probably will get even bigger as the days go on and as I continue to separate. So this is what it looks like, guys. Okay, so there is a little frizz here on my ends, but I think that is because of my separating. And there is some frizz here, but there's definitely some definition, and you can feel a slight hold. So no crunch, but you can feel that there is a slight hold and that these twists will last for a bit. So I'm not going to say a whole lot more right now about this product until I come back on day 3. But I do want to let you see how it looks today. And so far it feels good. It feels moisturized, even though these were thin products. It does feel moisturized. It does feel like it has a little hold to it. Hair looks okay, not overly shiny. It just looks like hair, not overly shiny, but not real dull at this point either. So guys, let me come back. Let me sit in it a few days. I'll come back on day 3 and I will give you my final thoughts on the Tailored Beauty Leave-In and Mousse from the Golden Herbal Collection. So stay tuned. Okay guys, I am back, and this is actually day 4 of me using the Tailored Beauty Golden Herbal Collection Flexible Curl Potion Mousse. And I actually do like this mousse. So if you can see by my hair, it still is very much defined. I do have the window open, so it probably looks a lot shinier on camera, and I have the lights on too, so it looks a lot shinier on camera than it does in person, but it definitely looks healthy in person. Didn't do a whole lot of it today because I'm not going anywhere today. Today is a in the house work day, but I did at least want to get on and show you my hair. I will be washing it tomorrow just because I need to do some more videos. I need to have some content, but as you can see, it is very much defined. It's still soft. It is still, for the most part, moisturized. I haven't moisturized it at all since I did this twist out. However, I can tell that the ends are starting to feel just a little bit dry. So if I was to keep it any longer, I would re-moisturize it, but I'm not going to keep it any longer because I don't need to. So yeah, definitely if I end up going somewhere today, we probably will go out and take our walk around the neighborhood. We may stop and get a few little items from the grocery store, but that's going to be it. I don't mind wearing my hair like this. Of course, I'll shape it a little bit better and you know, put on some earrings or whatever, and it'll be fine. So would I recommend this mousse? Yes, I would recommend this mousse, and I am pleasantly surprised. I'm pleasantly surprised by the mousse and the leave-in, because as you know, remember I said that these are for strengthening and repairing for the most part of the hair. So they didn't feel like they had a whole lot of moisture when I applied it, but they definitely did what they were supposed to do for this twist out, and they definitely give great definition. I did retwist my hair last night, like I always do. Not always, but if I need some stretch and don't want it to mat up, I just take big pieces without parting it, and then I just loosely twisted. I just loosely twist it down just to give it the stretch. I don't do a whole lot on the ends, just loosely, and then I kind of just let it go as it wants to. Grab another piece, big piece, and stretch and basically twist it like that. So I may have a good, I don't know, 8 or 10 twists in my hair to give me the stretch and keep it from frizzing up or matting up or whatever. So yeah, guys, that's it. I just want to come on and show you 4th day hair. Wanted to let you know that I would recommend this. Would I repurchase this? I don't know. It depends on the other products I have over there that I still need to try, how well I like those and how well they perform. If I like some of those and those products are on sale, I probably will pick this up again. But if I don't, then I'm probably going to just stick with the Texture ID or another mousse that I know that I have other products in the line that I like that does the job just as well. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this mousse and this twist out. So now back to the video. So yeah, guys, that is it for this review. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.